Yeah, yeah, man. No little picnic now make me go prison and get 15 years. Mash up that, man. Yeah. Right, that's so it there. Real way. See it, yeah? No more there. We are look for everything.
Like, are you like when name Joshy? No, me I tell you, see them guys are you, them a deaf critic music. Me have one sitting when me go see one video with a boy I sing. One buttercups boy, one round shiny boy, no joke. It's not like me and make up nothing. Me attack what me see. Watch out now. A shiny boy called to
Bitch, at our party, we not invite them. Muzzle up the car and the bike them.
Good day, my people. We have a lot of stories for you today. Welcome to Blabadem TV. Please remember to like, share, and subscribe.
Dove cat just tell me fees up cause the cemetery full. Cemetery full. Bright light get enough business when the calico pull. Calico pull. Man a Teflon done like got him in a Sammy the Bull. Sammy the Bull. Me no careful, me no fearful. Shot tear up your turtle and wool. Turtle and wool. War comments now, me nah show no leniency. Mach 90 lock down your frequency. Them a cuss me, a bust it up frequently. Me ask when you start bad, then say recently. Pine 50 expose your decency. Then scream like when a school girl say she Bentley. Continue talk up when me walk up, boy. Now your big motor when me M3 empty.
Bumbo clock, clap with him. Now we clock so with your man, grab with him. Me a send a man. Don't know if I want it, God, you know. Inbox me right now, dub and jingle be a thing, right?
Warhead never mash up and can dead.
Clap with him.
Kill boy for less than a can bread.
I don't know if you want to see my face in the introduction, right? You don't know me. When I know the child. So, basically, at the first, in our history, I agree with Nico Fire. At the first, I agree with Nico Fire. Come out and say something sensible. When he tell us a Kartel a grandfather for the music, you're right, Nico Fire. Old man, wash up, grandfather. You know, remember back here 100% on that. See, remember, Child is not a fan, you see me, of Masicka, but me listen to every artist. Everybody know Vendetta, me say. And me can they round here and see how the music are going to be biased about it. See, and Masicka are the man who run off dancehall with the hit song them. See, the second person who follow that, a dance man, Jamal. See, if we got talk about running dancehall in a Jamaica. See, and abroad with song we a mash up place. Masicka are the man who run dancehall. And Jamal, dance man. See, but when we see some people run out like Soul Flow TV them, but we know a Gaza them say. Them know what them say. So them not come out to come ref for nothing else or big up nobody else but Gaza. Well, Masicka, I do it. And for a year, a Vendetta fan come out and tell us Masicka do it. Masicka do it. See? But him not do it the way that's the Vendetta boss or Wally man boss him made. Him not push up him neck. Push one Masicka for push up him neck. I'm going to say this to you again, Masicka. You see, if you and Alkaline start a musical feud, saying you're not going to reach where you're supposed to reach. If you don't make that clash to happen, at this for happen, you and Alkaline for a shadow dancer from some little idiot who said them a king and said them a goat. You understand me? But remember, you know, we cut the goat short, you know, I know Rami up here. You see me? So watch out now. Until your Alkaline put down a showdown, when I go see the power when I have in a dance and I go see the power where you have Masicka. See? A fool no time, you know. Fool no time for shine, so man get for them time. And then them whole day days they want to come run back dance all. You see me? But you see Irish and Chin come out and say selling out stadium like people are going to win Grammy. I never know say selling out stadium nominate for win Grammy. That's a ask. So anybody know And anybody who come here so no come tell Judge, I suck your mother, your bad mind. Alright, suck back your mother. Suck your father. Alright? I'm want to look in at the Grammy section and tell me when it's a fully note stadium, make you win a Grammy. Alright? More blessings.
Me notice you tell the artists them, so if you study them delusion. My youth, study your bumbleclot ways, my youth. That's all me have to say. Because you and be need a fight for goat, now you want to fight little Masicka for blood clot goat. Study your bumbleclot self, man, because you're a bad mind artist, you know. Your bad mind no bumbleclot, me don't know if you them see it, you know. Youth, Kartel alone want rise boy, you know. Me don't know if you no see it, you know. You see me I say other youth a work pussy and on goat. Move and go hide your bumbleclot, half starving looking bumbleclot one side and load the youth them, man. Load the young youth them, man. Bumbleclot. Me nah stop say it. Oh, you know I call people bad mind and you are the man who bite the hands who feed you. You know see you have dark brain. Low Masicka, man. Your bad mind no bumbleclot, the boy Kartel. Nobody else no for rise boy. Youth, you know say you're a king. We are can talk about one goat for bumble. Low the youth them pussy. Bumbleclot.
Jah bless me going out and me coming in. Yes, I got to give thanks and praise to the King. Him that me there chanting and this big bad rhythm. Some burn dirty life and me heal up the King. Pick up the Rasta man the hill planting. We plant the cassava, cocoa and thing. Some me burn down them bridges and burn them barriers. In a Jamaica we got the most warriors. Cause when we cry, yeah, we feel the pain. And when I smile, I know God is around.
I hope Andrew only so no lockdown custom. A custom letting the water gun them coming out the country now. Custom letting the real pipe them coming out the country. Where they look how much gun coming at Jamaica where we find out how much gunshot. And we don't hear nothing about it up till today. They more than once to one man named Brown Man. Sit down pan him in our house. I have enough for 5 hours. A bus bullet off a one and nothing 5 hours. Gun man have gone a bus off a one. I only come now at a look boy. I got say when I got lock up people for 15 years say water gun. Mr. One is no look back on one other man. Christopher Tufton take the whole of taxpayer money and take it to mine sweetheart. And mine cranky buying. $80 million for one woman and she not work while we work shadow. And people suffer. People are suffering at the hospital. On the two wicked man.
Yeah. Yeah, man, this is the life. Yeah, man, this is the life. Yeah, man, this is the life. This is the life. Get the Roman chaser with the ice. Yeah, man, this is the life. This is the life. Man, I live alone.
No you can't say nothing about Kartel and Uno as the fans no say. Then forget cancel then career for flop. Check Kevin and check Joe Progress. That way your sister man is bad mind. Because a man don't even want to get a trying youth a blight in a life. Anytime the youth them hold no status boy, him a go come try tell you say a film status that is a bad mind thing. Let me tell you how I know Kartel bad mind again. Kartel and Bounty Killer par and in this Bounty Killer, man will feed him, man will help him to when they know and go par with a bitch the angel and sing say you know your baby daddy that alone show you say this youth bad mind. Me I show you him bad mind again. Never brat. You and a man a farm something with him empire. As the man got jail, you go sing songs say I could have never turn a graper. And when you come out of jail, the man them where you big up, Jack you are a grape in charge. R. Kelly is same thing. Over them two man they are your favorite artists. And you disrespect Deborah, the youth where you and him build a group. As in God prison you get the idea for go register it alone and fight against the youth. You don't see them think they say Kartel bad mind. That alone shows a Kartel is an ungrateful bad mind bomber wall. From when in style Bounty Killer and go par with Beanie Man when do nothing for him. Beanie Man do nothing for him and he go par with Beanie Man and this the man will help him. So he could have buy him mother house and take care and pick them. You want to see nobody bad mind want that? Later, it will be greater. At that me I show you say, that one of the things me I show you say this man is bad mind. He must say Deborah brought a graper and come out and hug up Jaden. Him big up Jackie or a charge street and he might big up R. Kelly. We are pedo and charge for the same thing. Me not understand what this man I deal with. So that's why I'm telling you bad mind. Oh, you're your friend for your parents, your friend got jail. You switch on him and go register something behind him back. He's a bad mind bomber.
I can't tell them I give still.
Oh, so you're not again?
I give me 2 months because I miss a ram up the show them so far.
So that I criteria?
Yeah, man, that I criteria now.
Alright, my DJ for era, Masicka. So since you change the criteria, how when Beanie Man did a ram up the stage show them I never get no hit song. When a cartel around the place and I get all I hit song them I never Beanie Man still I get DJ for here. You change the criteria, you sir. So a cartel call him a ram show them then?
Yeah, man, a cartel around me show them.
Oh, so I saw DJ for here go.
Yeah, I think I new hero.
My belly so me pop it out like a chopper tip a fire rapid out. Some new gun come. Oh no I hear new gun sound. Brand new rifle a true custom. Pop it in a Spain town and he move up down. No man in the crew, no clown, no badness.
Man in here, Masicka. If you're not clash, you're low. Chewing word alone artist. You know good for no career. Me see you step on a video where you say you prefer clash. Masicka, me not see no clash with you, you know. See if you talk about goat and you say you're the goat and you want to come claim the goat spot, you have to clash. You have to go in the studio, make a diss track, aim it at either Vybz Kartel or Alkaline. Although me not see Alkaline, I say man no goat nor nothing. A cartel say my world boss, he say my king, and he want to try to take goat from you. So like how he might try disarm the goat from you. You have to run out with a class song. And let me tell you this platform is to big up every trying you. This platform is not to big up Gaza. No, me not depend on that. It's not Gaza alone that do music. Rather more, one of the main things in the art, Gaza cannot perform. So we cannot always big up Gaza. You have Vendetta, you have Gully, you have Alliance, you have Fourth Generation. Every youth are trying at them own way. Every youth deserve credits in the rightful way. Meaning, give credit where it is due to every individual who is in the space of dancehall. They are the one who is keeping up dancehall on this map. A brother stated to me that Vybz Kartel is the one who put our country on the map. And I said, put our country on the what? I even said, put our what on no man. Bob Marley done that. Vybz Kartel is just taking the music to another level by the hypes that's around where he go. And he's not literally taking the records to a next level. None of these artists are really taking music sales to a different level. You know what I'm saying? They're doing good, but they're not selling music. They're not hitting the top 10 charts. They're not hitting the Billboard 100. And that's where good music go. You get what I'm saying? So I'm not here fighting down no one. More than I'm saying, if a youth do something and supposed to get his rightful credit, give it to him. That's all the pyramid is saying. Later, we'd be great.
Stand still. You understand, sir? Me think one place Glenn Washington unfair, bro. Cause me not gonna lose respect for Glenn Washington because me never met the artist before, but you see the way how free music reached to me know say I bear respect we even acknowledge it. So hats off to Glenn Washington, man, but bro, don't do that, man. Yo, honestly unfair, man. One law. Oh, you go one law.
Brother. No, man, I don't wait, man, them talk like
I know
me the last man. And that me I say, the man them say me the last Glenn. And me said that no, him the last him like that.
And Jamon set up that clash, you know me.
Nah, man, Barry's the last him, man.
No, of
Come
course,
on, brother.
he might last, but him not last, that's what see. We are still a red light.
Which one of them get
the
Which one of them get the last hit? Which one of them get the last hit?
Barry Simon, man. Barry Simon still
Every song Barry sing I eat in a home.
No, but
Remember,
hey, Sabrin. You know,
all I know, God is holy. You know, listen to that. The Barry and the popcorn. That recently singing up.
You
understand?
You know, as big as Barris is, you know, Barris in
Pull up after you and I first now relax. Hold your jacket.
I hear that.
Them fi know the crucial get dark and dodge. Me no care who a get it, coulda walk or run. Somebody blood a fi go sharp and bum. The war start